Well, good evening. I think it's 8:30 Monday night, the 31st of March. Just thought I'd update everyone on the heart and soul of my van build, the electronics. I'm not in any way, shape or form a handyman, electrician, or just someone who can get in and do things this technical. But lucky for me, my brother is, and yeah, he's spent the weekend hooking up my solar panels, which obviously we can't see because I'm in the van, but yeah, that's the cable coming in from the solar panels into the charger. That's the DC to DC charger. I mean, I could be wrong, but yeah, that's what the solar panel feed into to charge my two 200 amp hour lithium batteries. And with them we're planning on building a cabinet. I'm thinking my 3000 watt inverter will go up there, and then yeah, we'll just make a big cabinet. The plan is, if we get another dry day and get another wet day and my brother stays home from work, we're going to put the underbunk air conditioner down here, and between the bed and the doors will be a wall, so we can also sling some electronics on the back of that and on the other side. Yeah, currently testing out my power usage. I've got my fan running on DC 12 volt power and charging. I had my light charging as well, and I've brought my fridge back in and it's running. It's been on since around 6 p.m, so a good almost 3 hours. And I don't know if you can see that, but currently I have 97%. So on a normal day, overnight it'll just run the fridge and possibly a fan or two. I think I've already said in a previous video that my MaxxAir fan is going to go where this light is. So huge hole there. MaxxAir fan over my bed, and that should be sweet. Who knows down the track, and once the inverter's in, I might buy one of those induction hot plates, but at the moment I'm happy to use LPG, or as the Americans call it, propane. And I did have concerns that my burners are a little bit too close to the roof, so I stole this idea off Static Camper, and I've tried. Well, I have boiled the kettle 2 or 3 times now, just as another test. And the first time, this didn't get hot at all, nowhere around it. Second time, it got warm. You could feel the heat rising up. And then the third time, same again, it didn't get warm it all. And that was with my kettle sitting on it. So hopefully no dramas with my van burning down. And probably as stated earlier, I've got that little Minimax fan or whatever they call it, and it's an exhaust fan, so exhaust fan only. And with that, I can use that in junction when my Max Air fan goes in and get a bit of a breeze going. Also with the electronics, we've I don't know if it's going to be too dark to see in there, but I've got one of them four prong, 4-bay cigarette lighter adapters, and underneath it is one what is it, your phone charger thing, USB charger port. However, I have seen them where can I point this at? I have seen them, you know, with the 4 of these, or maybe 3 of these, and maybe 3 or 4 what's the name? I'm hoping to keep my setup as just 12 volt, but I just remembered that if I'm going to take my computer along with me, which I'd really like to, I'll probably have to have the inverter just to charge that up, or sorry, just to use that during the day. Apart from that, I'm waiting on a cage to go between the cab and the living area here, and I'll use that to anchor in my upright refrigerator. Then I'll have a curtain across there and probably put some more storage on, like hook up to the cage. And yeah, I hope that works out pretty well for me. And apart from that, I think I've got a side awning along on its way, so hopefully that'll come along soon. But once I've got that cage, that cargo barrier cage thing, and got that fridge, we can start sort of wiring that in a bit more permanently. And yeah, anyway, just thought I'd quickly update you on that. On a side note, regarding my Sprinter and its smashed windscreen, I've put in a police report, and it's been almost a week, and apart from an online message saying they have investigated it and I've passed it on up the line, I have not seen a policeman come out to either talk to me or the suspect. And honestly, we're not feeling safe on our own property, and we've had almost over a week of sleepless nights. Anyway, I'm going to end that here, and I hope everyone enjoys the rest of their day, whether it be Monday evening, Tuesday morning, or Monday morning, Monday evening. Righto. See yous.